Google co-founder's shocking statement on Gemini. Google's co-founder Sergey Brin on Tuesday said that the Apple-owned tech giant messed up on the image generation feature of Gemini. It should be noted that the image generation feature of Gemini was removed after users complained about historical inaccuracies and questionable responses. In a rare public appearance at a session of artificial intelligence enthusiasts in California, Google's official claimed that he postponed plans of retirement because the trajectory of AI is so exciting. Last week, Google had revealed plans of relaunching the image generation feature. Brin said, "Seeing what these models can do year after year is astonishing. We haven't fully understood why it leans left in many cases, but that's not our intention." The company has recently made accuracy improvements by as much as 80% on certain internal tests. Brin further mentioned that Google is far from alone in its struggles to produce accurate results with AI, citing OpenAI's ChatGPT and Elon Musk's Grok service as AI tools. Google's co-founder said that "say some pretty weird things that are out there definitely feel far left. We have made them hallucinate less and less over time, but I'd definitely be excited to see a breakthrough that's near zero." But you can't just count on breakthroughs, so I think we're just gonna have to keep doing the incremental things that we do to bring it down over time.